So we're heading over to my dad's house on this nice Sunday afternoon. Gonna do a little before and after video on his sled, on his, I think it's 2016 or 2017 Skidoo Renegade 600. He just got a new can for it, and he noticed that there aren't too many before and after videos of that kind of can that he bought on YouTube, so gonna do a little before and after shot, see what it sounds like, and fill you in. Alright, so this is a 2016 Skidoo Renegade 600. This is the carb version with you got the can on the back, you got the heavier springs in the front end, and you said you turn it up in the back?
Yeah.
Right on. So, show you what the stock one looks like. So that's the stock suitcase. Weighs like 20 pounds, something like that. Alright, fire it up. It's about 0 degrees outside, eh? It's pretty quiet. Still fun. Alright, we'll change it over and show you what it looks like after that. So here's the new one. All nice and shiny for now. Weighs about 9 pounds. So only 4 springs holds it on. Look at that. So that's custom right there, eh? Keep the mice out.
Yep, that's right.
That's wicked. Alright, so we got 3 of the 4 springs on. Almost lost the one, but thanks to Jesse, we found her around the corner here. It was just sitting there, thought we lost it under the motor or something like that. But so one issue we have is there's these spring extenders. You get 2 of those, and our spring extender for over here is a little too long. So that's gonna go modify it and see what he comes up with. Alright, so here's the length of
Spring extension.
the spring extension, the stock one, and then here's the modified one. So it's pretty smart. You have 2 lengths. Here's the long length and then the short length. Just turn it whichever works, and the long one works best. So I'm gonna put them on there.
Okay, you ready? Watch out, Jesse.
All right, we're gonna fire it up.